Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Mizuno right here. And basically what this is some Japanese barbecue sauce. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So for the one that we got right here is the hot and spicy flavor. And this is the 17 ounce that comes in a set of 2 of them. They do have this available in a big or smaller pack. So if you guys want like 1 or 2 or 3, that is up to you guys. But I decided to get the 2 pack because I actually like the sauce a lot. I've actually been using the original sauce for a really long time. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you what I mean. Alright, so right here, you see we do have the original sauce. And for the one that we got here is a 34 ounce. But I do have this available in a smaller ounce, which is 17 ounce on Amazon if you guys do want one. Like I mentioned, I really like this sauce a lot, to the point that I purchased so many of these bottles already. I think this is my 3rd or 4th bottle that I use already, and I share this with my friends and family and they like it a lot as well. And you see for the one that we got right here, they're almost all gone. And for this sauce, you can basically use it for almost anything, whether it be like seafood, meat, salad, or whatever. However you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. Like you can see in the back right here, they even tell you guys what you guys can use it on. So this is what the original one looks like. Now let me actually take out one of the hot and spicy to show you guys what this one looks like as well. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the hot and spicy one looks like. So if you guys notice, the color of the wort is slightly different. And there's definitely a huge size difference on here. This one right here is 16 ounce and this one right here is 34 ounce. So definitely will get a lot more in this one compared to this one if you guys do end up getting this one. But for this sauce, you can also use it for almost anything that you want. Seafood, veggies, rice, meat, etc. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually test out the new one to see what it tastes like first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the bottle. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so you see it's all nicely sealed up. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so you see that is what the inside looks like. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys from this point of view. But let's pour some out to test it out on the meat to see what she looks like. Alright, so let's shake the bottle first. And then let's pour some on. You can see it looks very similar to the previous version or the original version, but this version is a hot and spicy one. So let's test it out to see how it tastes like. Alright, so we got the sauce with our beef right here. Let's test it out. So when you guys taste the flavor, it definitely tastes pretty good. It's very similar to the original version, but it has a little bit of kick to it, which is really nice. I think for this version, it tastes a lot better, especially if you guys like the spicier version. But if you guys can't handle spice, you probably won't go for the original version. But it definitely does taste pretty good. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually looks pretty nice. But when you guys taste the difference between the hot and spicy versus the original, I do have to say that original has a lot more flavor onto it. Whereas the hot and spicy one, it also has the flavor, but not as much, because it actually has like that spicy taste that overpowers it a little bit. So I feel like the hot and spicy one, it definitely does taste better, but I do like the original one a lot more because it gives you guys a lot more of the flavor. So what I'm probably gonna do is to mix both of the sauce together so that way I can get a lot more of that flavor. It also has like the hot and spicy taste at the same time. But when we do test out both of the sauce, it definitely tastes really good. You can definitely taste like that barbecue kind of flavor onto it. And you can also taste like the sweetness as well. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality Japanese barbecue sauce that has like the same kind of sweetness taste of the Japanese barbecue flavor that's on here. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.